Hi, Alan. We have added a wonderful feature where you can see businesses with what activities are happening. Those who are looking at a fundamental or techno funda, it will be even a technical people, even a fundamental people. If you are connecting with all the dots, you'll be getting your answer. Now, what we were having a daily data. Now we have clubbed it with a weekly that what is exactly is happening in a business, how money flow is coming to a business. Apart from your fundamental, once you start connecting, I'm not going in a fundamental, we have every data over there. But if you start looking at things, you will see that from March, it was a average delivery of monthly 49 crore. Now sudden spike in a delivery, 129 crore, almost a three times, where price was around 116. Where price now almost 228. In last 4 months, this stock has almost given 200%. Last 6 months, it has given a 220% return. So if you can connect those dots, do you require any indicator? Do you require, definitely if someone require a mentor for guidance, it is fine. But do you really require that you need to be dependent on them? It's not. Only you need to manage your risk properly. And second thing is you need to look at things now which are at a sunrise sector and touching near 52-week high. If you, as a retail, following all these things and looking at this thing, I don't think that it will be very difficult for you to analyze a right business, a positive price action, the bigger picture about India, the which other sector can do good. It may be defense, pharma, telecom, all these businesses, precision engineering. It's very easy. Now, if you connect that, now if you filter out, so for that, we have a filter stock section. From filter of stock section, you can look at monthly high delivery, weekly high delivery. Then you can come and see the how significant delivery it is across all the businesses. As of now, we have given a NSE related all businesses will be coming with a BSC also will ruled out. And so stock has moved. I'll not be talking about a present any stock. I'll be showing you the data which will help you to understand that what exactly has happened, how you would have also picked one or two and sit. Just focus on where some. Now, if you look at earlier delivery was around 6 crore at 13 to 34 in that range. Suddenly, delivery pattern has changed from here. Huge change from here, 13.6 to 13 crore, almost a 2x delivery on a monthly. And price has moved up to 230 to 435 crore. Now, again, it is sustaining and making a positive movement after a long consolidation of last few days, last 4 months. And every month closing is at higher price. Only in this particular month, we have seen it is not touching, making a new high in closing. Now, here it is again closed above or very close to the all other, like last month it was a 508, it has given a closing at a 503, very close to the last month high and with a higher monthly volume. So if you can pick this thing businesses and connect fundamental dot, what I generally talk about, look at a profit uptrend, look at a sector where government is focusing, look at a B2C, B2G, B2B or not. You don't need really a complicated analysis to take your calls. You need to be with the money flow, with a good management, where sector everyone is focusing. First, government will focus, then money flow will focus, then those money flow will come in a sector. Definitely a sector which are not having a interest. If you look at any of the, say, Texmac Oral, there will be a negative price action and some people are doing maybe a value investment. If you look at on a monthly chart of thing, you will not see a very significant delivery on a Texmaco. It's maybe Texmaco pipe, Texmaco infra. If you even if you look at a Texmaco rail, monthly, if you look at, So here some people has taken a delivery. So 104, 103 is somewhere, it's not breaching, it's somewhere in that point. And after that, what we are seeing, it's not here some significant delivery has happened from a 9 crore to this. Even if you come on a weekly basis, you will see the same similar kind of a data that some positive flow of fund is coming and price is somewhere hovering around 100 to 120 level. But price action overall is not near 52-week high. Even if you come out distance from 52-week high is 31%. As I said, we will be looking at businesses. A retail should look at a business which are very close to 52-week high. Once you not start chasing, it's not about no finding a weak stock, finding a strong businesses which are doing good and why they are doing good, finding that. Now, Aeroflex, explain. Intertech, if I come, can you connect the dot and even in a if I come on a monthly, see, you will see here the stock was around 1900, 1400 level. If from 2025 we have given the data, you look at the average delivery was 35 here. Suddenly spike in a delivery data and it has gone up, way up slowly. And the stock price move each and every time stock price has moved from up from 1800 every time 2500 consolidation again up move every closing at a higher price. And there is some distribution and profit booking once it made 8714, again there is some accumulation is going on. So once you start looking at things properly, a company where some good fundamental activities or possibilities are there, along with it is within a 52-week high range. And now if you look at, I'll be showing all old records, so you can connect whenever you come and read all these businesses, no? Not from a only volume point of view. Always try to understand volume or money flow is a very strong one point. You need to connect the dots, whether government is focusing, what specifically special things companies is doing. Once you connect all the dots, you'll be seeing that, okay, fine, 45 crore, 32 crore, 36 crore. Average was somewhere 10 crore, suddenly 36 crore. So this kind of a jump in amount is you need to pay attention. This closing 794 and now it is at a 1500. So this kind of a thing, no, always try to find out that where some 4x, 5x of monthly volume, 2x, 3x. So do your own thing, own calculation, how you are reading it. So we will not say you that how to read it because it is an analytics platform. Everyone is different. So do read your own and look at things and rest of the thing we have given on advanced insight. You will be getting all the things, whether it is a fundamental you want to look at, whether you want to look at a profit and loss statement, whether you want to know the balance sheet, cash flow, shareholding pattern, filings, BAL, everything we have given. So it's not that you are connecting over here only through this volume. Try to understand the first thing is the value. Value volume will come where? Where is value? You need to differentiate. If you are looking at only volume and not looking at a value, it may be a trap. So you need to connect all the dots. Now, if you look at, there are multiple filters, whatever it shoots, whether it is a weekly breakout, monthly breakout, daily breakout, you want to select that I don't want 30% more than 30% move in last 66 days. I don't want last 22 days more than 20% move. I don't want last 5 days more than 20% move in a stock. And I want to select some range that you can select a range maybe 1000 to 30,000 crore. We have a sections more or less in same all the like filters. You can select a delivery volume, you can select a promoter holding, you can select a public holding, you can select RSI, maximum, minimum, trade surge, everything. And once you have done with your custom thing, just do the save view. It will be saved. One thing only I repeatedly say to everyone that whenever you go, don't try to connect with the volume. First, look at businesses which are maximum down by 20% from a 52-week high. And look at those businesses which are in a range where is a money flow. Last 5 days money flow is high. Be focused, VOGL. Then it's your duty to connect where is your circle of competence. Circle of competence will not come in one day. You need to focus on that India kind of a country where India should grow, whether it pharma, defense, require. We are surrounded by enemies, so defense will grow. Government will focus on defense. We are having a 145 to 150 crore of population. There will be a lot of illness, healthcare support, pharmaceutical support we require. So definitely those industry will grow. If defense is growing, aerospace, precision, all this chain will grow. If our like power infrastructure, we have a large number of villages in our country. So villages will transform to a metro city, tier one, tier two, tier three. So automatically those transformation require a power infrastructure, pipe, all those ancillary businesses we require. We are in a transition phase. We are at a premium in a many of the cases valuation. So always look at a valuation. Don't give abrupt valuation just because of the business can do good, it may remain silent. So always try to look at businesses which are at a reasonable valuation and doing excellent, and there is a reason to look at things. And if you are a short term, if you're a long term, place yourself accordingly. Don't pour your immediate emergency fund in stock market, which you can forget for next 4 5 years. That is for long term. And if it is something short term, you need to be focusing on more seasonal, more um, festival related businesses, summer related businesses, so you can get a upcycle benefits. Company will post good result, and you can connect with a money flow, you can connect with a score. So we have given all the things what retail exactly looked at. So you can easily by looking at thing, no, you can say, okay, aerospace, no, I need to look at it is moving or something, no? So now if you just click over aerospace, you can see all those businesses. Now you place yourself in a particular 4 5 7 themes. You don't have to really look at multiple things. You need to just note it down or download all the stocks. We have given all options to people so they can download stock. And you can create your own watch list even. Whatever you will select, it will come on your watch list. And delivery, weekly momentum leaders, whatever you want to select. And now if you just want to, you wish to click this, you can see, okay, fine. This is something is coming. Sudarshan Chemical is coming. Gap up has happened in this RGL. When I have added at 729 level. So Manali Petro. So all this thing, no, you can see your own from a watch list. What we have mentioned, market cap as well. You are not looking at only price, also looking at a market cap moves and everything. And feed also, whatever you have added, all announcement, everything, no, you will see that if all notification of corporate announcement is popping up in our page, whether it is a screening, bulk deal, whatever, Pine Labs, delivery, gap up, high priority filing. We have connected all the section where you can put your favorite thing. If you come on a filter, there is a star mark. You can put a favorite marking over there. If you come on a market breed, you can see that where market is, how many stocks are there, which are making quad future, Shanti Gear. Now, if you come on a Shanti Gear, similarly, you can check that you can put a star mark over here. You can remove, you can place. Now, if I come on technicals, Murugappa Group, distance from 50 to week high 22%. It's not making it is not close to 20%, but it's gearing up toward 20%. If you look at the daily volume, you will see huge jump in volume, huge jump in volume. and 2,97,343 compared to 11,662 delivery quantity. Now, if you look at uh, the sudden 4, 5x, 28x of jump in a weekly volume, even if you come on 8x of jump. So these are the thing now where to look at and what are the things are happening in this business. You need to find out your own. You need to go through annual report con calls and you need to conclude your own. And if you are reading this business, read it, understand this business, what they are doing, what new things are coming over here. So this is everything which I have, I think, conveyed to all. And anything else you want to understand about this website, also do let us know on comments.